So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung Galaxy Ring just isn't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure you've properly connected your Samsung Galaxy Ring to your Android device that you're using. So this is probably the first thing I recommend doing for the most part, and it's the easiest way to go and fix this problem. So what you want to start off by doing is you want to make your way over to your device, your whatever phone you're using to connect all this stuff in, and you want to go and make your way over to your Samsung Galaxy Wearable application. So go and make your way over into Samsung Wearable. So it's the app that looks like this. And all you want to do is make sure that that particular ring is connected to this particular device. And you can do this by, once again, going over here. And you can connect, you can click on connect and you can connect a particular device to this thing. You can go ahead and click on the buttons down here to go and add a new device. So you want to make sure you're seeing it here. If you don't see it here, you may have to repair it and reconnect it. So this in and of itself is another thing I recommend doing here as well. Now, another thing you may want to do is you may just want to make sure that your Galaxy Ring is actually, charged up. Sometimes this thing may not even be charged. So what you want to do is you want to go and grab your charging case that you have right here, and you want to go ahead and find that little pairing, little front part. All you want to do is slide this thing in, and you want to make sure this thing is charging up. Like I said, for a lot of people, sometimes all you're going to have to do is just make sure the Galaxy Ring is charged up, and that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. On top of those things, your Galaxy Ring may actually already be working and fully paired up and everything, but all you need to do is just pair it back up with your finger and just put it back in, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which, like I said, for a lot of people, this stuff can end up fixing it, and that really is all you're going to have to do. So those are the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other issues, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.